Click Transform Data to get into Power Query mode. We are going to create Date ID column which is in YYYYMMDD format. Click on Custom Column and change the column name into Date ID. In the formula box, use formula date dot to text and open bracket add the date column. Within quotation mark enter YYYYMMDD and close the bracket. Click OK button if there is no error in formula syntax. You can see there is Date ID column is added in end of the table. Make sure use capital letter M to show correct month value. If I change the capital letter into small letter, you can see every month values are showing as 0. It's invalid, so make sure use the right formatting. Now we can delete this custom column and we are going to create the same Date ID column using DAX function. Let's close this window. I am select the dim date table. Going to Table Tools and click the new column. I am going to change column name as Date ID. Here we are going to use format formula to create new column from the date in YYYYMMDD format. User format, then select open bracket and select the date column from the table, put comma and enter format as YYYYMMDD and close the bracket. In DAX formula its format can either small letter or capital letter. Whatever is the format you are using, you can get the result. Subscribe the channel for more videos.